to my channel. My name is Patricia. I'm a Nigerian women's wear designer, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a palazzo wrap trouser. Yes, it's very easy to make. I think it took me about 10 to 15 minutes to make this trouser, and someone personally DM'd me or messaged me on my Facebook page to make this trouser for her. So I'll be showing you guys how to make this trouser, that from cutting to sewing. So if you want to know how I made this trouser, you definitely have to keep on watching. So let's get started. These are the measurements we'll be needing for our trouser, and I'm gonna head to mark out my waist circumference, my hip circumference, my crotch length, my full length for my trouser, and this is my own measurement. So now we'll go ahead to start. We'll be needing our 2.5 years of Ankara fabric for this tutorial, then our sewing tape, our sewing thread, and our scissors. So I'll go ahead and mark out my block pattern by folding this fabric into 4 places for both the back and the front. So I'll fold it like this. I got this my block pattern by dividing my hip measurement into 4 and adding 5 to 6 inches extra to able to wrap around my body. So I'll be marking out my crotch width now. I'll be marking out 5.5 inches for my crotch width. Yes, I'll be marking out 5.5 inches for my crotch width, and I'll be dropping my crotch width by 10.5 inches. I'm going to add 10.5 inches because of the hemming allowance for the upper part of my trouser. So now I'll be making a block pattern for this. Like I will be making it in a block form to enable me cut out or shape out my crouch shape. So I've made the block form like this. I'll be marking out, shaping out my crouch area. So I'll go ahead to cut this out. So I've gone ahead to cut it out, and I'll be opening it up to show you how it looks like. It's going to be giving me a U kind of shape. Yes, a U kind of shape, a shallow U shape. So yeah, this is the shape it will be giving me, and I'll go ahead now to stitch it round using an half inch. Yeah, I'll use a half inch to stitch it round, and I'll also use half inch to hem the upper part of my trouser. I'll hem both the front and the back. I'll also use the same half inch to hem the side of my trouser down to the down part of my trouser. So I will also use half inch. You can also use 1 inch to hem it. Depends on your choice and also the length of your trouser. But for me, I'll be using half inch because I love my palazzo to flow down very well to give it a nice fitting. So I'll be cutting out my strips for my trouser, or I can call it rope 2. I need about 4 rope for this trouser to enable me tie it around my body. So I'll be cutting out 4 ropes for this trouser, and I'll be marking out 3 inches so that when I fold it and stitch it in, it will be giving me like 1/4 inch that will be remaining for me to open it up. So now I'll cut it out. I've marked out my 3 inches for my trouser strips. So I'll open up that place. And I'll cut out extra two of this. Yes, I'll be needing this two into two pieces for one of the side and the other side of my trouser. So the length of this one is 22 inches. You can make yours 20 inches depending on how you want it to wrap around your body, or how just make it enough to able to tie it. Then I'll go ahead to stitch this using a 1/4 inch. Yeah, I'll stitch it in and open it and turn it out. So I've gone ahead now to stitch my crouch area, hem my upper part, and put my trouser rope or my trouser strips. And I also hem my the down part of my trouser and also the side part of my trouser using using a half inch to hem it. This is the outcome of our palazzo wrap trouser. The front view so beautiful, the back view so beautiful too, and this is the side view and this is the other side view. Okay guys, I hope the video was helpful. Hope I was able to explain everything to your own understanding and you were able to cut it. So if you like this video and you would want more of my video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to comment down below for any other video or any of your suggestions or your contributions to build up this community. So if you would want me to make any particular style or help you cut any particular style, you just have to comment down below and I'll be there to reply you and answer you. So guys, if you love this video, just give me a thumbs up, encourage your girl, just subscribe down below and I'll be so much encouraged, yes, to continue making these videos. So thank you guys and take care. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Bye.